Okay, so class, alright, so in this video I will continue with the step number 2. Okay, step number 2 is solving the separated equation. Okay, like I said before in this previous video, I said that if the equation or if the PDE is not separable, so that's mean you cannot proceed with this step number 2. Okay, you cannot proceed because it's not separable, right? So you only proceed to the step number 2 if the step number 1 is separable. Okay, so now we want to solve the separated equation. Okay, let's say lah, for the previous example just now, the A1, the first one, okay, you already separated the equation as prime over s and also y prime over y. Okay, right. Okay, so now what we do is we will equate. Okay, we will equate this equation equal to 0. Okay, we will equate this equation equal to 0. Okay, you already split it, so now equal to 0. Sorry, not equal to 0. Equal to k. Okay, sorry, equal to k. Okay, equal to k. Alright. Okay, actually I get it x prime over x, y prime over y is from the previous example. Example A. Okay, example A is separable, right? So we get it x prime over x. Okay, I erase first. Okay, I write first what we get it from the previous example. We get it this equation. Okay, we get it this equation just now, right? So what we do is we will equate this equation equal to k. So when we break it into two equations, so we will have the first one is equation for x, the second one is equation for y. Okay, so both are equal to k, right? Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, then what we do is for this step number 2, you have another three what we call 3 possible cases. Okay, 3 possible cases that you need to cater. Okay, it's quite long. Okay, so for this method it memang quite long lah dia punya solution. Okay, so you have 3 cases. Okay, I write first case number 1, case number 2, and case number 3. Okay, if you cannot understand clearly what is the video is all about, you can refer to the slide first. Okay, okay, case 1, case 2, case 3. Okay, case 1 means your k just now. Okay, your k is a positive. Okay, k is a positive, ataupun kalau nak tulis dia akan tulis macam ni, k is equal to lambda square. Okay, lambda square. So lambda square represent a positive lah. For case number 2 is when your k is 0. So therefore you can write lah your k is equal to 0. And for case number 3 is your k is negative. So therefore you can write your k is negative lambda square. So you need to cater all these 3 cases. Okay, we need to cater all these 3 cases. So I will show one by one. I will show you case 1, case 2, and then case 3. Okay. Okay, I will do it. Okay, so just now I said that you have equation x prime over x equal to k and y prime over y equal to k, right? So we will do both. Okay, we will do both. So we start first with the case 1. Case 1 say that your k is positive. Okay, your k is positive. Okay, we do it first with the equation x. Okay, x prime over x equal to lambda square. Okay, I already replaced my k now equal to lambda square. So now this equation x prime equal to, you bring this x to the sides, you have x lambda square, and then you bring this to the side back here, minus x lambda square equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. So how to solve this one? Okay, so it's actually is a ODE now. It's not the PDE, it's already ODE because they only have one variable x. So how to solve the ODE? Okay, I hope that you all still remember how to solve the ODE. You can refer back to the chapter number 2, and then check whether this is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. If homogeneous, so you have 3 main cases, whether it's a real repeated, real distinct, or complex conjugate. Okay, I don't want to explain more on this because you already learned. Okay, you just I just go through fast. Okay, so you get the answer. So the answer would be X equation is equal to, okay, we use alphabet C lah, C1e lambda square X. So this is the answer for equation case number 1 for X only. We doesn't have Y, I mean we need to do Y. Okay, after this we do Y. So how I get this, I don't want to explain, you just refer back to chapter number 2. Okay, so now we proceed to the second equation, which is Y. So same thing, this Y is equal to lambda square, so you do it the same thing like you do it for X. So you have Y lambda square, you have Y prime minus Y lambda square equal 0. Therefore you already get your Y equation also. Okay, we use the another one as alphabet C2 E lambda square Y. Okay, Y, here is Y, here is X. So these two equations, the one is belongs to X, the second one is belong to Y, and this is for case 1. Okay, for case 1. Okay, alright, since this video already 6 minutes, so I will explain on, I will show you for case number 2 and case number 3 in the next video. Okay, alright.